Hi everyone, this is KG from Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kitang, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang performance ni Sel sa Julie and Stell, ang ating tinig concert, which is ang kinanta na ito ni Stell, is Anino. I am not pretty sure kung narinig ko tong Anino, but if I'm not mistaken, this is the first time na gumawa ako ng reaction video sa Anino. Pero hindi lang ako sure kung narinig ko ba siya or whatnot. So I won't take any longer. I guess this is a solo performance of Stell, and mamaya gagawa din natin ng reaction video. Si Julie and Stell naman na sumayaw ng Room or nag-perform ng Room. Kasi I'm really excited to watch that. Kasi di ba si girl, si Ira ba yun? Si Ate Ira girl, yung inalug-alug talaga siya ni Stell for today's video. And maraming haplos talaga doon si Ira girl. So titignan natin kung ganun din ba ang execution ni Julian. Pero wala pa tayo doon. Dito muna tayo sa Anino by Stell. Please comment down below. Bago lang ba itong kanta to o matagal na to? Hindi lang ako sure. So yeah, pasensya na kayo sa mata ko. Kakaligo ko lang, kaya mapula-pula. Maanghang yung shampoo natin for today's video. Anyways, without further ado, let's all watch this. Oh, love that. Shh. Oh, wow. This is one thing that I really love about them. Actually, ang boses ni Pablo and ang boses ni Sel is jack of all trades. Isama din natin si Ken. Jack of all trades talaga. They can sing an upbeat song. They can sing a mellow song. They can sing an R&B song. Tama ba? Or a R&B song. It's just like magaling talaga sila mag story, storyteller talaga sila pag kumanta. And yeah, indeed, if I'm not mistaken, this is the first time that I'll be listening to this song. First time to. Ang ganda ng introduction niya. It's just like napaka-solemn, parang crystal clear. Ganon. Alam mo yung pag pinikit mo yung mata mo, parang ang dami kang makikitang crystal, pero pag kinawakan mo, yung konting hawak mo lang is parang mababasag na siya. Ganon ka fragile ang boses niya. Ang ganda ng introduction niya. Porta-porta. Laki ng katawan ni Stell. Ganda. Oh. Wow. Parang Julie ang execution. Ganda. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so nice. Oh my god, sorry. Ang ganda nito, oh my god. Grabe, kahit ang taas ng hinihit niyang nota, ang sarap pa rin pakinggan. Oh. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Oh, this song. Wait. Ang sakit ng kantang to. Oh. Wow. Wow. Sorry. Sorry. Wow. 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 Oh my God, this song. Wow. Grabe. Grabe. Oh my God! Grabe, overflowing emotion. Like, literal, grabe ang emotion ni Sel dito. Grabe ininvest niyang emotion na kahit ako natulala ako. For the 5 minutes ata, natulala talaga ako. Like, oh, parang nakalimutan ko na gumagawa ako ng reaction video. Ang ganda. Ang ganda story. He is a storyteller indeed. Hindi na siya basta yung tipo nagpapasexy, na kumakanta, yung facial expression, yung gesture, kundi pati talaga how he enunciate the song talaga. Perfect talaga. Alright, that is our for today's video, which is Stel sings Anino in Julie Stel ang ating tinig. So yeah, this is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!